So hello guys, today I will show you how to use a SliverAppbar widget. So you can see, and first of all create a new dart file and name SliverAppbar. First import material, create stateless widget, name SliverAppbar. SliverAppbar. Return scaffold. In the scaffold direct I will use a body part. In the body I will use a custom scroll view, and then slivers. Sliver is a list of widgets, and then use a SliverAppbar. Then background color is black. I will select colors, remove it and black. Second pin is true, float is true, and then flexible space widget spacebar. Title text is a sliver. Background is image, so I will set image.assets. Set this image, so I can copy. I'll copy and paste the path of image, paste here, and run the SliverAppbar. Import this library and then run. In sometimes run will perfect. You will see the output can be displayed. Then set the expanded height of this image. So this fit is box fit cover, and then run it again. Then you can check the side black is remove and the image is full width. Then I will create sliver list in delegate, sliver child builder delegate. UN alter and control and space. So suggestion box is open. Return, I will return is list style. In the list style I can set title, text, items, and index +1. Index +1, and how many index child count is a 10. So 10 index will be generate 1 to 10. So you will check this output, and the SliverAppbar is ready. Like Facebook app cover image is same, it is here. So thanks for watching this video.